folks, it's me again. I'm going to do a weekly what's new and just tell you. I was going to do a tractor video. I canceled that one because the day I started it, it was over 30 degrees, it's like 80 something degrees, crazy humidity. I was going to plan on fixing the tractor today and replace a little plastic tube in the gas tank, get it running, but it apparently is 41 degrees. The metric scale, that's 100 and something. With the humidity, it's like 37 with humidity. It's crazy. Like, it's my car for the first time ever registered 41 degrees. That's like insane. Like, my air conditioner can't even keep up. It's so bad. But I basically am still working on videos. I got a couple of parts I'm going to be putting together, but there's not much going on this week. It's the same stuff as last week and before that, and that's pretty much it. So this will probably be the shortest thing. I'm sweating here because my garage is literally like, it was cool when I walked in here, and now it's probably 25 degrees in here. I'm just like sweating my gonads off. So anyway, just a little week of what's new. We're still making videos. I might have skipped a few, might have missed a few days, but if you're new to my channel, videos you come out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Friday and Saturday, and a weekly what's new on Monday. And when I get some new tools, I'll do a Tooly Tuesday video. I'm going to probably go over some other tools on Tuesdays and just make some new videos and stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and keep on trucking. Thanks for watching.